Learning our ABC, we can find our names, spell it out loud and free. We can sing some love to our baby Jesus King. We bless Mama and Papa, we love you sincerely. We're in our kindergarten, we are happy as can be. To our dear teachers now, our diplomas hands. On graduation day we bow.
Axel, lipat ka doon. Katabi ni Mateo. Likod ni Mateo. Yan.
Mama and Papa, we will love you sincerely. Here is our kindergarten. We are happy as can be. Let's believe and depart to our dear teachers now. Our diploma and hands on graduation day.